Imagine plunging into the ocean, leaving behind sunlight and color, descending into a world of endless night. You're entering the Mariana Trench, the deepest, most mysterious place on Earth, more alien than the moon. The pressure mounts, the cold intensifies, and your submersible becomes a fragile bubble in a crushing abyss. For centuries, we thought this place was lifeless, a frozen, lightless desert. How could anything survive where the pressure can crush steel and the temperature hovers just above freezing? Yet, life persists here, thriving in the darkness. Recent explorations have revealed creatures not just surviving, but flourishing, rewriting our understanding of life's limits. These organisms are pioneers, adapting to conditions that seem impossible. Their existence challenges everything we thought we knew about biology and resilience. The Mariana Trench is not an empty chasm, it's a cradle of life, holding secrets we're only beginning to uncover. Each descent reveals new wonders, inviting us to marvel at the tenacity of life. Down here, the rules are different, and every discovery is a reminder of nature's ingenuity. The abyss is alive, and its mysteries are just starting to surface. Welcome to Earth's final frontier. The Mariana Trench is a scar on the seafloor, carved by the relentless movement of Earth's tectonic plates. Here, the massive Pacific Plate dives beneath the smaller Mariana Plate, a process called subduction. This collision creates a deep crescent-shaped trench, a geological drama millions of years in the making. At its deepest point, Challenger Deep, the ocean plunges nearly 11,000 meters deeper than Everest is tall. The pressure here is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, enough to crush most submarines instantly. This force shapes everything: the geology, the chemistry, and the very biology of the trench. For years, scientists wondered if anything could survive such extremes, but life has found a way, evolving remarkable adaptations to turn this hostile environment into a home. The trench is not just a geological marvel, it's a living laboratory of survival. Its story is one of constant change, driven by the restless forces beneath our feet. The Challenger Deep is a world of perpetual darkness and biting cold. Sunlight never reaches these depths. The only illumination comes from bioluminescent creatures or our own lights. Photosynthesis is impossible, so life can't rely on the sun's energy. Scientists once believed only a sparse rain of organic debris, marine snow, could support life here. The water hovers just above freezing, slowing every biological process. Life moves at a glacial pace. Creatures grow slowly and live long, adapting to the cold and pressure. For decades, the deep was thought to be a biological desert, too dark, too cold, too extreme. But the abyss held secrets. Life had found a way to endure. The deep sea is a stable, unchanging world, locked in eternal night. Its inhabitants are shaped by these extremes, thriving where we thought nothing could. The Challenger. Deep defies our assumptions about where life can exist. In the darkness, a new story of survival unfolds. The key to life in the trench is chemosynthesis, a process where microbes create energy from chemicals, not sunlight. These microbes feed on compounds like hydrogen sulfide and methane, seeping from the seafloor. They form the foundation of a unique food web, supporting life in total darkness. Recent missions have uncovered thriving mats of these bacteria, turning the abyss into an oasis. Tiny amphipods and ghostly tube worms gather around these chemical seeps, feeding on the microbial bounty. Tube worms have no mouths. Instead, they house chemosynthetic bacteria inside their bodies, forming a perfect partnership. This symbiosis allows both to thrive where neither could survive alone. The deep is alive with microbial activity, supporting a surprising variety of creatures. Chemosynthesis proves that life doesn't need sunlight. It just needs energy wherever it can find it. The trench is a testament to life's adaptability, building entire ecosystems from the chemistry of the Earth itself. In the abyss, life rewrites the rules. Meet the residents of the trench, creatures as strange as any alien. The Mariana snailfish, translucent and soft, holds the record for deepest living fish, thriving where pressure would crush most life. Giant amphipods, far larger than their shallow water cousins, scavenge the seafloor, feasting on whatever they find. Delicate sea cucumbers drift like alien flowers, filtering food from the water. Single-celled foraminifera build intricate shells from sediment, leaving a record of the trench's history. Every dive uncovers new species, bacteria, fungi, and viruses with unique biochemistry. These organisms have evolved in isolation, developing traits found nowhere else on Earth. The trench is a living library of biological innovation. Its creatures are not monsters, but survivors, masters of adaptation. Each discovery expands our understanding of life's possibilities. Survival in the trench demands extraordinary adaptations. The Mariana snailfish yields to pressure. Its body is mostly water, with soft bones and no air spaces to collapse. At the molecular level, deep-sea creatures produce special molecules called piezolytes, like TMAO, that protect their proteins from being crushed. These adaptations allow life's machinery to function under immense pressure. In the darkness, vision fades. Instead, animals develop heightened senses, antennae to detect vibrations, or a keen sense of smell. Some produce light, bioluminescence, to attract prey or communicate. Symbiotic relationships like tube worms and bacteria are common, pooling resources to survive. Every adaptation is a creative solution to the trench's challenges. Life here is not passive. It innovates, collaborates, and thrives. The abyss is a showcase of evolution's ingenuity. In the deep, survival is an art form. Discovering life in the Mariana Trench reshapes our understanding of what's possible. Chemosynthesis shows that life can thrive without sunlight, expanding the boundaries of habitability. The unique enzymes and molecules found here could revolutionize medicine and technology. The deep sea's genetic library is a treasure trove of innovation waiting to be explored. Protecting these fragile ecosystems is crucial. They're connected to the health of the entire ocean. Deep sea mining and pollution threaten habitats we barely understand. Studying the trench helps us make better decisions for our planet's future. Each discovery is a reminder of life's resilience and the importance of curiosity. The trench is not just a scientific marvel. It's a call to protect and cherish our world. In exploring the deep, we find new reasons to value life everywhere. The trench's discoveries echo far beyond Earth. Chemosynthetic life suggests that habitable worlds might exist in places we never imagined. Icy moons like Europa and Enceladus may have dark, oceanic worlds beneath their surfaces, much like the Mariana Trench. If life can thrive here, it could exist in the hidden oceans of distant worlds. Studying trench creatures teaches us what to look for as we search for life elsewhere. The trench is our laboratory for astrobiology, guiding the design of future space missions. Life in the abyss shows that the universe may be more welcoming to life than we thought. The resilience of deep-sea organisms inspires hope for finding life beyond Earth. Our journey to the bottom of the ocean is a rehearsal for exploring the cosmos. The lessons of the deep may one day help us find life in the stars. The Mariana Trench reminds us how much remains undiscovered on our own planet. Despite our technology, we've explored only a fraction of the deep ocean. The trench is Earth's last frontier, filled with wonders that challenge our imagination. Life here is a story of hope, resilience, and adaptation. Each new discovery deepens our appreciation for the interconnected web of life. Our curiosity drives us to explore, to question, and to learn. The spirit that sent explorers across oceans and astronauts to the moon now leads us into the abyss. The journey is just beginning. The ocean still holds countless secrets. The Mariana Trench is more than a depth. It's a symbol of mystery and possibility. Let's continue to look down with wonder as we do up at the stars. In the deepest darkness, life shines brightest.